Your breath stink because your tongue is white. You need to start water flossing. As you can see here, it's removing all that gunk and nastiness that's been building on your tongue. It's gonna help remove that stinky bad breath and have your breath fresh for hours. And if your teeth bleed every time you brush your teeth, that means you have gingivitis. And that's because you're not water flossing. It's gonna help remove all that tartar, plaque, and gunk stuck in the crevices of your teeth. These things usually cost upwards of $80. But I found one on a TikTok shop that always sells out because it's only $14. So if you can see the link down below,